Hey guys, this is James from Cruise West Coast, and we are here on Majestic Princess checking out their laundry room. This is available on each of the floors in the aft. They've got 2 washer dryer sets on this side and 2 washer dryer pairs on the other side. We've also got 3 ironing boards, which is awesome because it's really difficult to pack a suit and nice dress shirts without having a way to get them unwrinkled, without having to pay for it. Now, usually they have a really good press and dry service. It's not too expensive, but it's nice to know that you don't always have to pay for that because you can do it yourself. Like I said, this room is available on each of the standard guest room floors. Over here, you've ended by tokens. You don't need to worry about cards or quarters or anything like that. So let's go in English. Come on. So each one of these washing cycles is $3. Each drying cycle is $3. And the vended product, which is right over here, the soap bleach softeners, they've got all Snuggle and Sun bleach are available by tokens. You can use your medallion right here to pay for it. I'm not going to do that right now because I'm leaving tomorrow morning and I don't want to buy more tokens. Although I would love to come back here. But anyhow, here it is. The little laundry sink right there. The washer dryer pairs. According to this sign, it says the washers are going to take 30 to 35 minutes, the dryers 40 to 45 minutes. So that's nice, a combustible paper thing so that you can keep safe and not have to worry about fires. And if something does happen, and hopefully it doesn't, there's a fire extinguisher over there. Place to hang up your hanger items. And just in case you were wondering, yes, irons are hot. So there you go, guys. This is available on Majestic Princess. And while we've not sailed all of the other Royal Class ships, I would imagine that they are indeed available on the other Royal Class ships operated by Princess. So there you guys go. This is located in the very aft of Majestic Princess. This one is on Emerald, across from 621. So that's it, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.